new restaurant in Pokhara, Lakeside. The restaurant name is
नयाँ ब्रान्च पोखरामा ओपन गरेका छौँ। हाम्रो इन्डियामा धेरै ब्रान्चहरू छ कालसाङ
Hello everyone, Namaste, Tashitalek, and welcome back to my channel, Tortajes Vlog. It's me, Smiling Lama from Pokhara, and so I'm enjoying my holiday. And then so today I'm going to show you the video. It's a new restaurant in Pokhara, Lakeside. The restaurant name is Kalsang restaurant, and the owner is one of our sister Aji Lakpachonzom. So actually this the Kalsang restaurant is in India. I think they have 8 or 7 restaurants, so this is in India very famous, and in Pokhara in Lakeside this is the first time and also new one. And so today I'm going to show you. So if you see my video, so please do visit there. It's very nice, and so today I'm going to show you. And also it looks like a monastery, so the restaurant is super. And then so today I'm going to show you. And then so first video I'm going to show you, that is a few days ago my beloved and respect Guru Venerable Drupsing Rinpoche, that's opening time. He's the chief guest and he cut the ribbon. And so first video I'm going to show you that, and then second I'm going to show you inside the decoration or outside or everything. So today I'm going to show you. So hope you love this video, and this video is especially to Kalsang restaurant owner and Kalsang restaurant family. Okay, bye bye. Okay guys, so right now I'm at Kalsang restaurant, in front of Kalsang restaurant. So today I just want to now I want to show you the location. So this place is called the Khare. अनि यो ठाउँलाई खारे भन्दो रहेछ अनि यो माथि चाहिँ लन्चोक भयो अनि यहाँबाट माथि जाने ठाउँ अनि क्याल्सङ रेस्ट चाहिँ यता छ है अनि यो हजुरहरूलाई अलिक कन्फ्युज भयो भने यो ठ्याक्कै यता एरोप्लेन रेस्टुरेन्ट छ यसको ठ्याक्कै अपोजिटमा हो सो नाउ आइ एम गोइङ टु सो यु इनसाइड and all the decorations, so it looks like also monastery, so it's very nice. So I'm also going inside. Okay. Now I'm going to meet you, the manager. So this.
Hello, namaste. मेरो नाम चाहिँ उमेश हो.
Okay.
I'm the branch manager of Kalsang restaurant, Pokhara. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Want to say something?
Yeah, actually युट्युबमा जो पनि हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ उहाँको भ्लग अथवा फ्री भिडियोज पनि सबैलाई नमस्कार भन्न चाहन्छु कालसङ रेस्टुरेन्टको तर्फबाट. सो हामी चाहिँ नयाँ ब्रान्च पोखरामा ओपन गरेका छौँ. हाम्रो इन्डियामा धेरै ब्रान्चहरू छ कालसङ रेस्टुरेन्टको. त्यसको चाहिँ नयाँ ब्रान्च अनि इन्डियाको हाम्रो टेस्टहरू अथेन्टिक तिब्बतियन चाइनिज अनि कोरियन टेस्ट चाहिँ जो हामीले इन्डियामा सर्भ गरिरहेका छौँ. त्यही टेस्ट चाहिँ हामीले नेपालमा पनि पोखरामा हुनुहुने सम्पूर्ण चाहिँ महानुभावहरूलाई चाहिँ हामी टेस्ट गराउँ भनेर चाहिँ हामीले नयाँ रेस्टुरेन्ट खरे चोकमा ओपन गरेका छौँ पोखरा लेकसाइड स्ट्रिट नम्बर 19 मा. सो whoever is watching this vlog or videos, I kindly request you to visit once and give us a chance to serve you our Tibetan, Chinese and Korean food. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So now we just try. Actually, I like momo and chapale. Actually, they have they have some menu. They are especially Tibetan, uh, Chinese, Korean, and Thai the foods. And so I love also Tibetan foods. Yeah. So actually, my the stomach is already full, but our owner Aji Lapuchunzum, she says just taste something, and then I taste chapale, and then this is very special. It's first time in Nepal, so this one devil momo. So it's called a devil momo, and this also the soup is also the Kalsang restaurant special soup, and so I just having this all, and then so here a lot of menu. So this is the menu. And here also like the Chinese, Thai, and Tibetan the foods. And so here also the juice item, any juice you can order. And then so this one is especially for Korean. So you just अनि हजुरहरूले कोरियन पनि एकदम कोरियनको त झन् स्पेसल रहेछ धेरै स्पेसल रहेछ है कोरियनको त रहेछ very special for the Korean. And so you can come here and then just try. So me, I just tried this momo and chapale because I love it. So okay, so thank you. Now I'm going to show you inside the menu what they have. Okay guys, so just now I'm back in my room, and thank you so much everyone who watched this video. And so if you watch my video, so please don't forget to write comments. I'm sure that the owner of Kalsang restaurant, Achil Hapudroma, or the family, I'm sure they will watch, and please do comment. And then so please, if you see my video, so please do visit in that Kalsang restaurant. So it's very beautiful, right? So I just show everything. So it looks like a monastery and it's very nice. But this restaurant is very famous in India. So now we need to make more famous in Pokhara. And okay, so that's all. And then lastly, I would like to say well done and best wishes to Kalsang restaurant, that Aji Labodoma and his husband, and also the team of Kalsang restaurant. So just I want to say good luck. Okay, and then thank you Ajila for the delicious shapale or and then devil momo. So this is very nice, and in Nepal first time, so you need to try that devil momo. uh, Only in India you can get so this momo, so you need to try. I try and this is very tasty, and you guys are also need to try. Okay, and then thank you for everything, Ajila. So okay, and then sure I will help, and then I'm sure that most of our Trashipakal they came, or other the people, they know that their family were also very honest and kind for the peoples, and especially the late Pala. He's also very kind and honest people in these walls. Yeah, so okay, so that's all, and see you in next video. And if you like my video, please do share. Okay, and I'm enjoying my holiday. Okay, bye bye, and see you in next video. Good luck. Kalsang restaurant, good luck.